Once you've registered for the auction and accepted the terms and conditions, you're ready to start bidding. To search the list of registrations, click on Search Registration at the top of the home page, or click on the View Registrations button. You can add registrations to your watch list so you can keep track of any registrations that interest you. You can see the current prices and the end time, showing you when each lot is due to close. To place a bid, click on the registration in the lot list or in your watch list and input your maximum bid. You'll be asked to confirm the total amount payable, including VAT, buyer's premium, and assignment fee. You will see immediately if the bid is with you, i.e. that you're the current winner, or against you, in which case your bid wasn't high enough. In this scenario, our bidder has been outbid. Auctions work on the basis of maximum bids. The system automatically bids against other bidders until the bidder either wins their lot or their maximum bid has been reached. Bidders do not need to keep bidding one bid at a time. Our bidder has now placed a maximum bid of £500. Maximum bids are never shown to any other bidders, and once placed, they cannot be cancelled. The maximum bid of £500 has resulted in a successful bid of £310, far below the actual maximum bid value. The bidder will win this lot for this amount unless there are higher bids from other bidders. DVLA timed online auctions use sliding end times. Every lot in the auction has an end time which is shown on the website. This is the precise time when the auction closes on that particular lot. On this lot, the end time is 3:40 p.m. For lots on which any bidding activity takes place in the last 30 minutes, the end time will extend by 30 minutes. It will continue to do so, if necessary, to allow all bidders the chance to bid again. See how the end time has slid back to 4:10 p.m. With sliding end times, the auction reaches its natural conclusion without anyone being outbid or sniped at the last second. Everyone has a fair chance of winning. For more information, visit our help area at dvlaauction.co.uk.